Hi guys, this is Lewis with Vicrez, and today I'm going to be showcasing the conversion kit for the Ram 1500 from years 2019 to 2023. And as you guys can see, it comes with various parts. These are the rear fenders, same as this box, and this is the front fenders. Those are the liners for the fenders, and this one is the TRX hood, the front bumper hood conversion, the grille conversion, the side step conversions, the hardware necessary for those brackets, and these are the headlights. And yeah, as you guys can see, it's pretty big. It contains various parts in order to convert your Ram 1500 into the TRX conversion. Okay, so this box right here, as I mentioned before, includes the rear fender for the conversion kit. It comes with all the stuff necessary. This is the main part, of course, and it comes with a fender flare aligned to it and the hardware necessary here. Right now I'm currently working shipping out this order for a customer, and it's mostly all of them are already boxed out. But yeah, pretty much it contains all these boxes, and right now I'm gonna be working on making the shipment for this order. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching, and if you guys want to order this kit, the part number is VZ101922. Alrighty.